So, what's up, guys? Let's be real for a second. We are all stuck in the same boat. We're doing BTech, we are grinding lead code, we're memorizing code for the Viva, and we think we are gonna be the next CEO of Google. I'm right or wrong? But there is a glitch in the matrix. We have a massive problem. The corporate world has a sign on the door and it says, no English, no service. And honestly, most of us are getting left on the red by the HR department. I see you guys, you can write a code to hack NASA, maybe, but when the interviewer looks you in the eyes and asks, tell me about yourself, you freeze. You turn into an NPC. NPC means non-playing character, the character which doesn't do anything, but it is playing the role. You just say, myself, Rajiv Sharma, I'm a hardworking person. Am I right or wrong? That's why we're not getting the offer letters. Bro, this is cringe. Yes, cringe. We are technically sound, but verbally, we are mute. Now, I'm gonna call us out for this that we are lazy. We say English is tough, but we spend 4 hours a day scrolling Instagram reels. We binge watch Mirzapur or anime, but we can't watch one TED talk. Come on, my dear friends. There is a book by James Clear called Atomic Habits. Read it seriously. It says you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Our system is broken. We think we can learn English one night before the interview. Am I right or wrong? Like semester exams, है ना? Just like we study for the semester exams. Ratta marna doesn't work here, my dear friend. And we cram and we just go. No, you cannot cram a language. You have to live it, eat it, drink it. Am I right or wrong? I have a student, an absolute genius at Python, Java, other things, but he refused to speak English. He said, my work will speak for itself. Mera kaam bolega, sir. Guess what? He's just still sitting at home. And the guy who knew less Java but could communicate, he got the package. He secured the job. My dear friends, you are a Ferrari, right? You are a Ferrari car. No? Your engineering degree, your technical skills, that is the engine. Gee, yes, your technical skills and degree is the engine. It's powerful, it's loud, it's expensive. But English is the wheels. It doesn't matter if you have a V8 engine. If you don't have tires, you ain't going anywhere. You're just a loud noise parked in a garage. We treat English like it's an extra subject. Am I right or wrong? It's extra subject. Even when the time comes to drop a subject, we drop English in 12th class. My dear friends, it's not a subject. It's the operating system of the global economy. If we don't install the OS in the computer, what will happen? It's just a box of metal, literally useless. So, stop crying about it. Stop saying, I'm from a Hindi medium background or it's too hard. That is an excuse. You are Gen Z. No, you people are called Gen Z everywhere. You learn everything from YouTube or online. So, sir, what should I do? Yes, I tell you. So, here is the game plan. Stop being shy. If you speak broken English, who cares? Break it until you fix it. Consume content, which TED Talks, I would like to say, sorry, watch TED Talks in English, without subtitles. Listen to podcast. The third, speak as much as you can speak. Talk to yourself in the mirror if you have to. Don't let a language barrier be the reason you stay broke. The word is saying no English, no service. So you better learn the language. Walk through that door and tell them, I'm here to serve. Let's lock in and get those jobs. Okay, folks? So remember, my dear friends, no English, no service. No service, no wife. No wife, no life. Unless you are dead. Learn English. And to learn English, where you should go? Come to me, American Institute, MP Nagar Zone to Bhopal. Otherwise, online from 10th March, I'm going to start my batch. Yes, 10th March 2026. Please enroll yourself. Thank you.